Introducing the AXAMP series from Access. Now you can have an easier option to install aftermarket amplifiers on your stock radio with our new Amplifier integration series. The new AXAMP series offers vehicle-specific 6-channel amplifier integration interfaces that enables the installer to add aftermarket amplifiers to OEM source units for enhanced sound quality. The AXAMP series provides 6 channels of 5-volt RMS audio output, an amp turn-on trigger, 2-channel SPDIF output, as well as 2 channels of non-fading full-range output. There's also a volume knob for your factory chime levels, and a USB updating port. These interfaces are designed for amplified and non-amplified vehicle applications. And with the included vehicle-specific T-harnesses, installation is a snap behind the radio with no need to cut or splice any wires. And there is no programming required. So check out all the available AXAMP applications, other Access products, and updated vehicle fit guide at accessinterfaces.com.